Guys, we're just going through one of the villages in the national park in the real rural districts of Thailand. Lots of crops out these ways, trees. I guess they rely heavily on their own, like growing of food and stuff like that. Lots of dogs here, I noticed. A lot of them relying on the road, probably because it's cold. It's like a cold wind. So a lot of the dogs are just lying on the road. So I nearly ran a couple over. It's got to be a bit careful of these local mutts. I mean dogs. So let's see where this road takes us. Alright guys, we are at another waterfall. This one is called KLANG waterfall. Wonder what MAE means. MAE must be water or something. Anyway, we're here at KLANG waterfall, nestled into the heart of Inthanon National Park. Beware flash flood. Ah, maybe because that's dripping down with water. It's a bit of a stream and river over there. I think the waterfall is up this way. KLANG. I'm thinking MAE must mean water or waterfall, because we went to the other waterfall called MAE, and this one is KLANG. Stairway to heaven. There we go. KLANG waterfall. Inthanon National Park, Thailand. And there's only one lady here and a kid up there. It's good to come where there's no tourists. It's pretty cool. Look at that, how beautiful is that, guys? Absolutely awesome. Let me sit over here so you guys can have a bit of a look. Check out those vibes, guys. And while we're checking those vibes out, I wanted to talk a little bit about water. Now, 2-3 years ago, I used to stay at Heartland Springs and farm back in New Zealand, and I studied water and built a website around water, because I stayed on a farm that produced spring water. So I wanted to find out what spring water was about, what it was made up of, everything about water. And I studied a guy called Dr. Emoto from Japan, and he was an expert on water. And what he found was that water has a consciousness. And what does that mean? Well, basically he said that through intention, if you put words near water, for instance love, the water will vibrate differently compared to if you put words like hate next to water. He also believed if you put different music through water, you will get different shapes. When he inspected the molecules of water and the crystals of the water using his technology, he found that if you played opera music, the water shapes would be like snowflakes and beautiful patterns, compared to say death metal, which he said the molecules of the water were shaped vastly different. And then he actually looked into things like polluted water, and he found that even though you can put polluted water through filters and clean it, he said that the underlying thing is that the water crystals, the shapes of the crystals are different. So even if you do drink that filtered water, he reckons that your cells actually will vibrate and resonate at the same levels of that crystallized water. So he said the best water to drink is spring water, because it comes straight out of the earth at a very high frequency, and it's quite pure and it's not tainted, and you get the full essence of the water itself and the full energy of the water. It was very interesting work. You can Google it and search for him on the internet, Dr. Emoto from Japan and water. I thought it was quite interesting. Our bodies are made up of 70% water, so I think water is very, very important for our well-being and for our existence here on planet Earth. So we need to look after our water and not pollute it, and drink pure spring water if we can. And yeah, water's great. Apparently in winter this place gets kind of flooded, so the water like pours down here, and even up here apparently the water comes up here. But we're heading into winter now, so there's not much water like you see here in the wet season. Anyway, it's beautiful to be here and come to the water and enjoy the vibes. Alright guys, we're going to leave it at that. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you have. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you guys on the next video. Experience the journey, inspire others, live life guys.